global shift makers. My name is Sergio Silva Gutierrez. I'm a social entrepreneur. I'm from Colombia and currently a member of the America's Business Trust and organizer of the Global Entrepreneurship Week 2020. I've been involved in processes that have accelerated the sustainable and integral development of Colombian young people. I've created Magdalena Joven Foundation, whose ultimate objective has been to help my region to consolidate a general public policy of youth, as well as contributing to create spaces of participation for our youth in order for them to be empowered and become proactive actors in their regions. The most rewarding fact is that having a voice from local institutions and their entrepreneurs, and a bill will be discussed in hearings at the Colombian Congress called Love Youth. The entrepreneurial talent of our youth is the engine that drives the economic, social, and democratic growth, and that's why I joined the YPT of the OAS. We're catalyzing the Colombian youth talent, putting them into action, and working in hotspots such as the employment, their access to resources, and their entrepreneurial training. It's my commitment to show all we have achieved in Colombia in that summit. Thank you very much.